Go ahead.
All right, everyone, we're gonna go over how to turn an expander here. So a couple of important things. Number one is you gotta have a great assistant. We do today. Be in a well-lighted area, somewhere where you can be flat, where it's easy to see, easy to access the mouth. So by a window is great. If you have like a really bright lamp or somewhere in your house that has a lot of light, that's perfect. You may even want to have a third person involved who holds a flashlight or a phone light, something where you can really see the hole. That's the biggest trick. When you're doing it, make sure to open really wide. Oh, that's perfect. That's beautiful. And you also want to have, just lift your chin kind of up towards the sky while you're also opening wide. That is perfect. Okay, now on this expander here, what's going on is it's kind of part way done. So hold on, let me get it into a better spot before we do an actual turn here. Okay, so here's our key. This little part rotates, and instead of having it straight out or straight at a right angle, you want it at about a 45-degree angle, just up like that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna find the hole, we're gonna put it in the hole, and then push this part from the front of your mouth to the back of your mouth, kind of down and back. And when that happens, this little thing is gonna rotate, and that's what's gonna do the turn. So the first hole, let's see, turn just a little bit that for me, bud, should be right here in the front. So we're gonna hold the key just like that and just drop. It doesn't take any force to put it into the hole. You just kind of have to maybe wiggle it just a little bit to find your way in there. Look there, almost. That is a little bit tricky on yours, bud. Okay, and when you get it in, you can let go and it'll kind of hang out all by itself. That was a bad example. There we go. So it's in all by itself there. And then once we get it in, that's when we're gonna actually do the turn. So we push from the front and push down and back. And when you do that, you'll see the little mechanism in there rotate. And then once you get all the way back there, it won't let you go any further. So I'm pushing, but it's not letting me go any further. When you get to the back, you wanna make sure to just wiggle it out right back there, down towards your tongue, and it'll pop right out.
And then open wide, Ethan. You see
Good.
the hole is right there ready for the next turn.
The next hole is right here, ready to go. So some common mistakes. The most common mistake is just not doing a full turn. A lot of people go about halfway until the little key here gets to about that position and takes it out. But really you're gonna go until the key is almost at the opposite 45 degree, and then wiggle it out towards your tongue. Again, it doesn't take a lot of force to get it out, but a common mistake people make is putting it in the expander, doing the full turn, and then kind of undoing it and taking it out. So make sure you put it in, do the full turn, it'll stop you, you can't go any further, and then just wiggle it out back and down again. And that's a turn.